Hey everyone, welcome to Valor. Today I'll show you how to set up and enable the Discord overlay. Let's go to user settings and find the overlay option. Go to game overlay, click got it to enable it. Here it is. Okay. Now we can customize this overlay. You can fix its position, adjust size when active, and set it to show only when users speak. Also, choose to display users always or just when they're talking. You can set the maximum number of users shown. See? You can also choose to show messages, streams, and game activity. That's all, folks. This was Valor. Catch you later.